Hi, I want to show off my proxy model for Lord Solar Leontus, the new-ish Imperial Guard command officer. I, like many other people, don't like. I don't hate the model, but it doesn't fit my vibe, and I prefer to build something custom. So here it is. I've got this command base basically, with a Lord General right there, as well as a scribe, and of course someone to send out all the commands with this giant satellite tower dish thing. I've actually done some, as you can see here, some magnet stuff, so it can turn. It's a bit like that one minigame in Helldivers where you get the wheel to turn the big dish, and then it makes beep, and you get to see all the points on the map, all the points where you can potentially find the credits, I guess. So yeah, it's I'm very proud of it. I really like how it turned out. It's a bit annoying to turn with one hand, but yeah, I've used the three actual minis here. This guy is mostly from I think he's from different models, but I think most of him is actually from the Tower Prime model. You see the Tempestus Scion head with the beret. I really love those. Then there's the officer, the Lord General. He's from the Commander. He's called House Scribe Attaché, I think. Either way, he's one of those famous the Commander models that just work great for guard. And then of course the scribe is from the Inquisition, the agent of the Inquisition from Kill Team or Imperial Agents. And yeah, I just found and 3D printed this comms tower, which I'll hopefully remember to link. It's very cool. It printed pretty well, and I guess I also glued on the this antenna, which I think is from the Lehman Ross upgrade kit sprue. It really makes it stick out as an Imperial thing. Like these parts, it's not all printed. Some part of, like, this is obviously glued on as this Aquila, and yeah, back here this the secondary antenna dish with the skull on. Of course, you want this Imperial skulls, otherwise it looks very fake. And yeah, I think this is also from the Lehman Ross upgrade kit actually. This baggage. Also, I'm not entirely sure. There's a lot of those kind of guard kits with backpacks and baggage and stuff. They're all nice, but it's so easy to run out of them because they're so cool. There's so many things you can do. But yeah, I really like how it turned out. Here I can do the actually now you'll have to turn your head if you or your phone, depending on how you look at it. But it's very much. I wanted to keep it a bit high because the guy on the horse, the Lord Solar Leontus, he's on a horse, and the horse is standing on top of a tactical debris. So I wanted to have some set of height, so it's not like no one can tell me I'm modeling for advantage, even if it's not like I'm playing with people who would complain about it. But I might as well. Keep in spirit of the thing, not have it be like entirely flat and hideable. And also, honestly, another soundbite, and not just that it's the rule thing, but like it looks kind of boring if it's such a big base. You do want the correct the same base size, so that is the same. But if you have such a big base, you do want some 3 dimensions on it, not just like a big base with with 3 people standing on it. I considered more people at the start, but I think it works out. Oh, sorry. Now you can see it again. It works out really well. I should probably get a tripod for holding these. Yeah, I'm very unprofessional, especially now that I'm mentioning it during the rambling again. But yeah, I think it turned out really well like this. It's very it's very real. It's like, I guess it's a mini diorama. It literally is. But yeah, it turned out well as far as those go. And now I'm turning it, now I'm turning it. Actually, I should do the other thing where I'm turning this thing, but it's kind of hard like this. So yeah, I really like how this turned out. And I guess I can now actually, once I finish this Baneblade, I actually can give him orders. So that's great, because otherwise the commissar would just have them drive closer to hit them with a sword, and I don't think High Command would appreciate it, because it is a very poor use of strategic assets. Even if it is in the spirit of the will of the Emperor, it's not practically in the will of the Emperor, because of course how can we serve the emperor better than by crushing his enemies? And in that sense, amen. Remember to pray your 3 emperor hours every day, and oh god, I don't know what's a good cartoon evil thought of the day. Imperial sign off. Have a good day. I'm gonna say something nice and not something evil. Have a nice day. So or night. I'm filming this kind of late.